Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the remote and TV ready, so start now. Press Home and open Settings. You do this because Voice Guide is an accessibility audio layer that reads menus aloud, and it must be accessed in system menus. Once in Settings, move to General or directly to Accessibility, depending on your model. Make sure to use the actual remote if the phone app won't navigate the voice prompts easily. This gets you to the right menu to switch the feature off. Once in Accessibility, find Voice Guide or Voice Assistant and select it. This is the control for spoken menus. You should see an on/off toggle. Choose off and confirm any prompt to stop the narration. Make sure you listen for the change and watch the screen to verify the toggle state. If the label reads off, the audio should stop. If your model supports a shortcut, you can try holding mute for 3 seconds, but rely on the settings path for consistency. After turning Voice Guide off, confirm menus are silent and regular audio plays. If you still hear speech, restart the TV because caches can keep accessibility settings active. Make sure the remote batteries work and retry the toggle. Sometimes the command doesn't send. If that fails, unplug the TV for 30 seconds or check settings, right arrow support right arrow software update to install the latest firmware. That often resolves stubborn Voice Guide issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.